Hi, this is George from George Loves Weather. Today we're doing an unboxing for the AcuRite Iris 5-in-1 weather station. Now, this is what it looked like when it came in. We'll unbox this and give you a look at what it looks like brand new. There's the instruction manual for the sensor array for outside. We'll set that aside. Now, what else we have here? We have cardboard construct for protection, and this will be, so I had to get a cutting knife. This is sealed up very nicely. What we're going to do is we'll take this out and we'll show you what was in here. Okay, this is in bubble wrap, and it appears to be our display unit. Very nicely packed up, and it is. This is our display unit for inside. There's a protective sleeve on top of this here, and then next thing we'll do is set this aside, and then we're going to need to get the next layer of the box undone. And this has a protective sleeve on it. Just take this off and remove the cover. And there's our sensor array, nicely laying in here. And we'll show you when we go to put that outside what that looks like. And then the other thing in the bottom here is there's the mounting bracket. The mounting brackets in here as well. And there you have the mounting bracket, which we'll be using for outside to mount this, and the sensor array. That's it. That's what's in the box. Okay, so we undid this. There you go. That's the sensor array. This is a big boy. We're looking at big time here. It's AcuRite 5-in-1, and it's got fan inside. This is your weather gauge and your anemometer here on top. So that's what you get for the weather sensor array. You get the mounting bracket and you got the display unit. Okay, one more thing in the box that had the display unit is the other end is where the adapter is. And I had to open the other end up, but this is the adapter right here. That's the display for the cord for the display unit, and then there's the power adapter in this end, as well as the stand piece for the display unit as well. So the display unit came out of this end here, and then these three pieces came out of the other end of the box. You've got your display stand base and your power adapter cord for your display unit, and then your attachment for your display unit to your computer. That's it for the unboxing for the AcuRite Iris 5-in-1. So this is an unboxing for the AcuRite Iris 5-in-1. This is what it looked like when I bought it from AcuRite.com. You can see the display unit looks like this when it's lit up. We'll cover that when I do the full review for it. And then you've got in the box, here's the display unit. That's the way it looks with the stand that was provided, which we showed you. And then there's what it looks like on desktop or your counter. And that's what the unit's going to look like once you mount it. When we do that outside, I'm going to my son's house, and we'll be setting out the property so we can see where it might be mounted. And you can look at that when we get that done. And here's the inside look at that big boy that we showed you when we unpacked it. If you got some value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. Like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, George Loves Weather. There'll be more videos like this posted upcoming. And thank you for watching today. We appreciate you. God bless.